Yo, yo, what's up, party people? What's up, my fellow traders? My fellow citizens? Let's get into the trade review, shall we? So 1.7% day. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I gotta size up. It's kind of been hard to size up. Just because look how fucking deep we are into this route. I mean, look at this. This is insane. No correction. Crazy lockout rally. Just absolutely absurd. So it's been hard to size up. Because, like, usually you want to size up after there's setups and there's a correction. Then you size up and you can hit everything with size. But it's this deep into a rally, it's a little harder to size up. So I haven't been able to size up at anything, which has caused my positions to be a lot more spread out. I have a lot more open positions, smaller positions, but more positions, smaller position sizes, but more positions. Like in a good run, I'm usually capped out at 4 or 5 positions. But with the run we've had, I'm holding like 8 to 12 positions, 13 positions. So more positions, but less size. But if you can get more size, less positions, you can be more concentrated. And in those few big winners, you can make some good money. So it's been a little bit more difficult in that aspect in terms of sizing up for me. But we're still making progress, which is great. That's all I really care about. Obviously, we're coming off our best month of the year, September. So if we can continue that into October, then I can probably start pushing size in November, December, assuming October goes decent, which hopefully it will. So position list: Iron trailing 10, DK trailing the 10, ONDS. I sold half of this today, trailing the 10 with the rest. METC trailing the 10. SPHR trailing the 10. This had a nice little fall through today. SNDK death candle yesterday. Great way to respond today. Pushed back through the highs, held the previous low a day. More volume on the push. This acted great today, trailing. MU, great push today. Big breakout. We bought it the 29th of September. Just push straight up. Great setup. Great everything. Linear move up. Pull back. Breakout. This is up. Like, if you really actually cut it the right way, it was like 11R. So this was a great move. And this is proof that you can trade the same setup, like, no matter, like it's so scalable. This trades $5 billion volume. So you could have gotten a massive position in this one, and it just, like, you could have millions and millions of dollars in this position, and you would be completely okay holding. Obviously I hold MUU because I'm not a multimillionaire, but if I was a multimillionaire, I'd buy the regular MU. UMAC made new highs today. Didn't do anything right or wrong, so hold it on to this one. EOIC, great push today. Great push today. Love to see it. Again, I wish I would have been able to hammer this with some more size, but good push, and just trailing this one. CRWV, I did stop out of my half that I bought on the 30th of September, but I still have my half that I bought until the 29th. So I doubled my position this day. I stopped out on that, but I still have my original position. So no matter what, this trade will be a green trade, just with less size. So my stop is break even, so I'll not take any loss on this. But obviously, I have half the size when I doubled my position. So Lumen, I stopped out of this break even today. Let's remove that. RGTI, I bought this to the previous high of day. A little bit of volume increase there. Didn't close that well. Probably going to get stopped tomorrow on this. It is what it is. I thought it was okay. It was decent, so whatever. UUU, I bought some of this end of day. Looking to probably buy some tomorrow. Expecting a gap up though, so that's why I bought some early, just to fund some risks for a possible gap up. That way, when I'm chasing, I've already got some P&L to work with. Focus list, Shumia, nice clean move right here, clean move right here, clean move right here, clean move, pullback, clean move, pullback. Very close to the top of the base, only 7% drawdown. Lower highs, higher lows. You had this gap down day, but it instantly recovered. And this looks really good in my opinion. It's made a great move up, and it looks pretty good. Who is texting me? I don't know. Fucking hell, man. Leave me alone. Clean move up, pull sideways, move up, pull back, clean move up, pull back. Had an offering. Oops up, held below, inside candle. Above the inside candle, I am long because it's had nice clean linear move ups, and inside candle right on that 10 moving average. 20 is right there, so not a bad spot to grab it, and maybe this could push to 20. We'll see. Lumen, obviously I had big size in it from the 30th, got stop break even, but it had kind of a sort of thin candle, and it's forming this flag pattern. Lower highs, higher lows, nice little flag, tight right on that 10 moving average. So above today's high, and I will definitely re-enter it and re-grab my position. And hopefully a breakout past 665 would follow. Yeah. Yep. So those are my top 3 names. And then CRNC, this kind of looks good. You got a linear move up right here, pull back, and then tightening, higher lows, lower highs. It's okay. $26 million volume. The move up it's decent, but it's nothing like crazy. So, I don't know. It's okay. Probably wouldn't trade it though. OPAD, inside candle. If open wants to go, this had another tight day today. Higher lows, lower highs. If open wants to go, OPAD has the tightest setup to try it, so I would try OPAD. In UAI, probably wouldn't trade this, but it's a day trade idea. You just buy it over the inside candle high, sell into some into strength, and then if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, then you sold some into strength, whatever. Real, probably wouldn't trade this. It's not that liquid, not that fast. $35 million volume, 5 ADR. Jumia is a almost 7 ADR with the same amount of dollar volume, basically, so it doesn't really make sense to play this one, but probably just rather play Jumia. But it did make a nice clean linear move up, nice clean sideways, lower highs, higher lows. Looks fine. TLRY, same setup as PL. You have this big fat green day, 2 inside candles. Hasn't taken out the high HVC. Big green day, 2 inside candles, haven't taken out the HVC. Buy it over the inside candles high. Maybe you get a push into earnings. That'd be the idea. I might trade this one on smaller size. I don't know yet. If I get a tight stop, I'd take it. So fuck it. RMBS, just watching for the flag. Looks pretty good, honestly. Lift looks good, but it's not very fast. Very liquid though. So if I had a big account, I would trade this. But because I do not have a gigantic account, probably wouldn't trade this. Open, I might buy it over today's highs. It looks decent. Double thin candles, higher lows, lower highs. I'd rather see more sideways, but we'll see what happens. Indexes, QQQ pushed to new highs, pretty impressive. RSP closed green in the day, pushing towards the top of that base. IWM, pushed up again today slightly. That's really all I got. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.